Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with 2 quick checks. Update Viber and ensure a stable connection so changes sync. Once done, backup chats if you want a safety copy. Go to More, Settings, Account, Viber Backup. Now open More again and tap Edit Profile to access personal fields. You're looking specifically for the date of birth field or profile info section. Make sure the account shown is the one you use for verification. This primes the app to accept and save the edit immediately. In Edit Profile, locate the date of birth entry. If it's collapsed, tap Personal Info to expand. Tap the DOB field and use the date picker to select day, month, and year precisely. Take care with year to avoid age restrictions. After selecting, press Save or Done to commit the change. Once saved, check the visible profile preview and return to the home screen. Make sure linked services like Facebook aren't overriding the value, because synced accounts can revert the feed. After saving, verify the update by reopening Edit Profile. The new date should display. If the change didn't stick, sign out and sign back in, or reinstall Viber to clear cache, then reapply the edit. This resolves most sync glitches. If the field is blocked or reverts due to account policy or linked account settings, disconnect or update the linked service and try again. If none of these work, contact Viber support with screenshots and account details so they can investigate restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.